Hey, good morning. So we'll get started here in another minute or so. I'll give a chance for people to log in and we'll get the show underway. So thank you for tuning in and your patience. We'll be with you shortly. Okay, well, again, good morning. Thanks for watching the Tech Time. We're going to do water quality and the importance of field testing, testing period, and we'll get rocking and rolling here now so we can stay on schedule. Getting most from your webinar, you as obviously take some notes if you like to. You can sign up for more webinar reminders on our Tech Time sign up sheet. There's a link there as well. And we also have lots of other good trainings on our YouTube channels. And I'll get to that in a second. So today I am Jim Strandlund, a technical service specialist. My contact information is there, as well as our technical phone line. You guys know 618-664-5860 will reach our technical department, and design services team as well. So please use us as best you can. Tech Time is hosted by Intertech University, and intertechuniversity.com. You can get to our YouTube Intertech University channel, and also intertechusa.com. You can find us as well. So all these are recorded, and there's a lot more of them online and things that you're able to view and watch as we roll around and learn a lot of things. So, and please spread the word to let other people have the opportunity to find these and learn from our upcoming trainings and our past trainings. And we all want to become a little bit better and learn more. So anyway, today I want to talk about water testing. We do have a technical bulletin as shown on your screen now. It's blurry, but you can download it on your GoToWebinar screen. There's a place you can download it, or give us a call or talk to your TM. The technical bulletin is there, TB 19.001, and there's 3 pages long. Talks a lot about water chemistry, antifreeze requirements, etc. So this is available to anybody on our secure site as well. So check her out. One thing that Intertech does provide is this universal water testing kit. The part number is there, 62463, and it's very interesting on what it has inside of it and what we can test for. So this is something good that all our technicians could have in the field. It's good for using and testing even 2 to 3 years down the road to make sure the potency is there and the products are working according to the type of water that you have. Being a contractor, didn't realize how important water was, and this kind of a training and some of the products that we have make the systems last longer, work better, less warranty calls, less customers complaining about, hey, this didn't last very long, how come it's not working? So this is something really good that you guys should have. The testing kit is able to test for total hardness, pH balance, turbidity level, looking at things, and also can test for the concentration of the chemical Furnox, which Intertech recommends on almost all of our systems today. So again, the test kit is really nice and really neat, and the simple little bottles and things that are in here to operate. This one's kind of cool when you look at it. It's got what they call a CP disc in the bottom there, so you can show one of the tests for how clear the water is. And you're coming with these pH test strips. You can, sorry about this there. So very good tool to have, very simple, very small, compact. It's not really large, so you can see how small it is. easy to carry. I recommend that you guys have one in the shop. And if you need further testing or better analysis, are always welcome to send samples into Intertech corporate office. We can do some testing there for you as well. And there are certain requirements. We want a certain quantity. So give us a call and we'll give you those specifications as you need. Now, Intertech has brought on a product called Furnox. And they got a wide variety of products that really work good. You'll find today that if you order your loop field materials with us, you're automatically going to get the F1 protector. They also offer a cleaner for existing systems. And so if you need to clean out the system, this is a good product to use as well. It comes with directions that this little bottle handles 26 gallons. And we have more larger sizes and stuff as well, depending on the needs and size of your system. The F1 product is absolutely fantastic. It's almost like a magic cure, I call it. And we find today that a lot of your micro boiler people recommended some kind of treatment for the product because of the small passages that are in there. So again, this is one of the products. There are other out there that we use, but we have had great luck, great serviceability with this product, and we really highly recommend that you look at adding this to your systems. Make sure that they're good and clean and they're protected. And why do we want to do this and use this in our system? Well, here's a really neat slide that kind of shows you what's all incorporated inside one of our flow center pumps. It's amazing the amount of different bearings, bearing plates, parts and stuff that are in there that can be corroded. And I'm going to show you some ugly pictures here in a minute. So bear in mind, the one thing that I also learned is these pumps that we sell from GeoFlow and other manufacturers have a special coating on the electrical wires so that they're more damp proof, more waterproof for cold water chilled systems. They're better protected. So the red ones or other ones that you could buy don't have that absolute protection in them, and maybe sometimes why we see premature failures with that. So keep in mind, there's a reason why we sell the pumps that we do. These are designed for cold water applications and for better protection. You take a look at the sludge and garbage that's inside this pump and system. Kind of shows you the reasons why, the importance of adding a protective chemical in there. These create service calls, create service problems. If you plug up radiant floor manifolds, plug up fan coils, all this kind of stuff. So the importance of doing a protector is immensely, readily seen. So please think about that, keep track of it, do a good job. There's another picture showing you some corrosion, poor water quality. You get poor water quality, things plug up and block up. You may get some turbulent flow inside and eat away the volutes, and now the pump is gone, the volute is gone, now you got another service call. And if it's under warranty, guess what? None of us win. So bear in mind, protection is very, very relevant and should be something added to every one of your systems. Some pump returns that have come in, you can see the differences in the colors. Different things happen depending on your water quality and stuff that you have. And so it's very good for you guys to know there are problems that you have seen. Some stuff I've never seen was some kind of white powdery stuff making kind of like a jelly inside the system. So water in our whole country, in our whole world is different everywhere we go. Testing is imperative or important. You may think you know how good the water is there, but testing is an approved method in a way that should be good. So, okay, that didn't work. Okay, so I wanted to show you a pump that I have. As you can see, discoloration, kind of a reddish color, and I think that's a lot to do with the high iron content. And when you start looking at the pumps itself, a little bearing surfaces, everything is rusty red colored. Well, there's a reason why this pump didn't last. And I also noticed that there's a lot of particles that go inside the impeller. And so obviously that creates bad turbulence, less performance, less water flow. So the importance of protecting and keeping your water clean and testing it is very important for the longevity of all the parts and less service calls. So bear with that, keep that in mind. Okay, a lot of us are skeptical with chemicals, right? You know what? Hocus pocus, this kind of stuff out there. This is a really neat slide showing untreated water and water treated with Furnox. I used to sell wood stoves, and we had the same kind of display where showing the dissimilar metals inside the water container would turn turbidity colors, and it was really interesting to see. But this Furnox stuff has many different applications where you can even add this to an existing system with an express bottle that can push and force it in. This is proven to work. Take a look at those pictures, man. You can see after only 8 weeks how dirty and ugly that water turned. How long is your pump going to last? So this is a good point, good slide to see. And again, I can't stress testing, testing, and testing. One other thing I wanted to bring up today is this is a little tool a lot of you guys have probably seen or passed out. This one is sponsored by Grundfos. It's a power indicator, AC indicator, where you can put it up to the circulator pump and see if it's spinning. That kind of supposed to tell you if that pump is actually running. But I want you to remember that these motors are impedance protected, so there's still electricity going through them. They may not be running, but they're still going to be drawing electricity. And so this can give you a false reading. If you had a shaft break inside the pump, this could still show you that something is spinning, but the shaft is broken. So don't always trust these with 100%. The only true way is either removing the pump, looking at it, or if you have the little screw on the center of it, remove that and make sure the thing is actually spinning and moving for you. So bear with that in mind. It's not a 100% guaranteed deal. Check with your gauges for water pressure flow differential across your heat pumps. Also help you to tell if some of these pumps are not working. So again, this is the short time we have for this morning. Again, I'd like you to see our Enertex technical service members. Again, you can reach us anytime at 618-664-5860. And got any questions or want some more information on it, welcome to give us a call or talk to your territory manager. They're willing to help and get you products and information as well. So again, thank you very kindly for your attendance today. Look forward to seeing you again on future programs. Spread the word. This is all for all of us. All your technicians are all welcome to view this at any time live or on our YouTube channels. So again, this is Jim checking out. Thank you very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day.